Olympus OMD E-M10 Mark IV. This latest model in Olympus retro-style mirrorless line comes packed with a micro four thirds image sensor that's stabilized, a 4K video capture capability, and a variety of in-camera filters designed for creative photographers. It's an excellent fit for beginners, but may not meet the needs of more advanced users. The OMD series from Olympus has always been recognized for its retro appeal, and the E-M10 Mark IV maintains this tradition. Available in either black or silver, it features distinct camera dials that lend it a more vintage feel than its digital counterparts. You can purchase this camera body only, perfect if you already own a lens or prefer to select your own, or bundled with a 14 to 42mm pancake zoom. In terms of build quality, it may not measure up to some high-end Olympus cameras. There's no weatherproofing or magnesium chassis. Instead, it's housed in a sturdy plastic case, which should be kept away from water. However, there are metal details, such as the dials and lens mount, that add a touch of luxury. One remarkable feature is the image sensor's 5-axis stabilizer, a rarity in entry-level cameras. Additionally, it includes a pop-up flash, which is often absent in professional models. While fully automatic modes cater to beginners, the controls aren't overly simplified. The top panel features dual wheels and 3 customizable control buttons on the right, allowing you to assign different functions to the digital teleconverter, recording, or AEL/AFL buttons. Interacting with menus happens through the back screen, a high-quality 3-inch panel with 1.04 million dots. You can increase its brightness for use outdoors, and the hinge allows for some tilt to avoid glare. The screen is adjustable for waist-level photography and can also tilt downwards for overhead shots. An eye-level viewfinder featuring a reasonably sharp 2.4 million dot design is included as well. When it comes to focusing, the E-M10 Mark IV employs a contrast-based system that distributes focus points across the entire frame. This means you're not restricted to center focus subjects like you would be with entry-level SLRs. It also boasts enhanced subject recognition, with the ability to detect faces and eyes and adjust focus accordingly. Thumbs up.